Meaning of employment agency.
Employment agency.
Employment agency.
Employment agency.
Employment agency. An employment agency is a firm that matches job seekers with available employment opportunities. These agencies may specialize in certain industries or types of positions, and they typically work on behalf of the employer to recruit, screen, and refer qualified candidates for open positions. Job seekers can register with employment agencies to find job opportunities that match their skills and experience. Employment agencies provide a valuable service to both employers and job seekers, helping to fill positions quickly and efficiently while ensuring that the right candidates are matched with the right jobs.